18 minus 9 divided by 9 multiplied by 3. What's the answer? I think you will fall for this. Let's see. So you would say 18 minus 9 gives us 9, and then go from left to right, right? So 9 divided by 9 gives us 1, and then divided by 3 gives us 3. This is absolutely right? No, wrong. You probably would argue that, okay, so 18 minus 9, again, one more time, 18 minus 9 gives us 9, and then divided by 9 times 3, which is 27. So 9 divided by 27, gives us 1/3, right? No, wrong. So what is the order? Because in these two ways, we went in a very bad direction, in a wrong direction. Now we are lost. So never be lost. Follow PEMDAS. Oh, that's like this type of advertisements. I'm not sure if you've seen Better Call Saul. So never be lost. Use PEMDAS. Oh, that's gross. But what the hell is PEMDAS? PEMDAS is parentheses. P for parentheses. Okay. E for exponents. M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and you tell me the last one, S for, yeah, you tell me, subtraction. And this shows the order of operation. So you must follow this convention. This is an internationally agreed convention among in the mathematics, in the entire mathematics, and it prevents ambiguity. It goes from the highest to the lowest priority. If you have any operation, search for parentheses. You must do parentheses at first, champions. Then go for exponents if you see any exponents. Then go for multiplication and division, and you must go from left to right because they have the same priority. Then go for addition and subtraction. They have the same priority as well. In our original problem, do we have any parentheses? No, we don't. Do we have any exponents? No, we don't. Do we have any multiplication and division? Yes, we do. Which one should we do first, division or multiplication? People, you might say multiplication, but according to PEMDAS, they have the same priority. You must go from left to right, division and then multiplication. So 18 minus 9 divided by 9 gives us 1, and then multiplied by 3. We have one more multiplication to do. So 18 minus 1 multiplied by 3 gives us 3, and then we just have one subtraction. So 18 minus 3 gives us 15, and that's the only correct answer because there is a convention, there is a correct path, and you must follow this path. Otherwise, you would end up as 3, as 1/3, or I don't know, any other possible thing. So there is countless probably wrong answers, but there is just one correct answer. Oh, that's like a quote or something. There's countless wrong answers, but there is just one right answer. That's interesting. I like this. I'm happy with myself. Okay, it's great. So as your homework, so what would the answer be if we had this? 9 divided by 9 inside the parentheses. Or maybe you can add an exponent here. So 3 raised to the power of 2. So 3 squared. So please make sure to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe to the video if you find any values in these videos. It helps me a lot. And subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you on our next video on prime logic. We'll have definitely better and more interesting videos.